Привет, меня зовут Анна, я учитель русского языка. И сегодня мы будем учить numbers. That's what we are going to study today. Russian numbers can be tricky, but the most important, you have to remember numbers from 1 to 9. And then it's easier to learn the rest of them. In this video, I'll give you life hacks how to remember the numbers from 1 to million. So stay to the end of the video, don't forget to subscribe, and let's start with the basics. To remember the numbers, repeat after me. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me guess the numbers that you constantly forget. Number 4, 4. To remember this number, you can think of the word cheat, like cheat on something, because it sounds similar to 4, at least the beginning of it. So if you forgot this number, try to cheat and remember 4. 4. Number 7. 7, it's not just 7. Also, we have a word family. It is семья. Семья. So if you know this basic word, you can just remember that 7 is the part of a family. Or you can imagine a big family with 7 kids around and say семья. Семья. 8. Looking at this number, you can see that it has во and then 7. So you just need to remember во and then 7. 8. 8. Now let's repeat all the numbers again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You need numbers to ask about price, to ask about how old are you, to ask about somebody's phone number. So it's really important. If you learned the numbers from 1 to 9, congratulations! You are now on the second level, which is numbers from 11 to 19. To form these numbers, we use the same formula. To our basic numbers, we just need to add na, like we're singing the song, na, and then this ending sat, na, sat. Let's have a look. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19. So, to say a number from 11 to 19, you just need to remember our first numbers and then na, sat. Let's practice. I'm going to show you a number from 1 to 19. You need to remember it and say it out loud. And then I will tell you the number so you could check if you're right or not. 6, 6. 8, 8. 4, 4, 7, 9, 14, 14, 17, 17, 19, 19, 13, 13. Good job! Now, what we have left is these numbers. Number 10 is 10. 10. It's a very important number. We'll need it to form other numbers. So let's repeat again. 10. 10. To say 20, we have to say 2 plus сать. We already know this ending. So 20. 20. Good job. And to say 30, we need to say 3 plus сать. 30. 30. 40 is an exception. Let's leave it out for now. To say 50, we have to say 5 plus 10. 5, 10. 5 plus 10. 5, 10. 50. So 5 we slightly change and we say P. 50. Not 50, but 50. 50. Try to say it quicker. 50. Great. 60. We have to say 6. 10. 60. 60. 70. 7, 10. 70. 70. And 80. 8, 10. 80. 80. And now we have only two exceptions. 40 and 90. 40 is a completely different word. And it is 40. 40 makes no sense, but maybe you'll remember it because it's different. 40. To study 90, let's first learn 100. So 100 it's 100. 100. And 90 it's 90. 90. So 90 actually contains 100 in it for some reason. So 90. 90. Out of these numbers, the most difficult ones would be 40 and 90. All the rest are really easy if you understand the logic. Let's repeat them again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Time to practice. You'll see the number from 1 to 100 and you need to remember and say it before I do. Let's try. What number do you see now? 22. 22. 33. 33. 44. 44. 55. 55. 66. 66. 77. 77. 88. 88. 99. 99. Отлично! If you managed to name the numbers, great job! And we are going to the next level. And here are the numbers we are gonna say now. You already know 100. 100. Now let's learn how to say other numbers. 200. 200. A little bit different. Not exactly 2 plus 100, but something similar. 200. Then we have 300 and 400 are easier because you actually say 3 and 100. 300. 300. And 400, 400. And now the pattern is changing. We have to say our first number and then add сот. Not 100, but сот. It's like we changed the order. 500, 500. 600, 600. 700, 700. 800, 800. 900, 900. And the big one, 1000, 1000. Now that you know the numbers from 1 to 1000, let's do the last round of practice. Stay focused. What number do you see at the moment? 111, 111. 222, 222. 333, 333. 444, 444. 555, 555. 666, 666. 777, 777. 888, 888. 999, 999. Great job! Don't worry, it will take some time to practice. If you play bingo, or if you do anything in your life connected with numbers, try to pronounce them in Russian now. Try to think, what is it in Russian? When you see the price in the shop, try to think, what is this number in Russian? It would be the great practice for you. And by the way, I started to do this channel actively 3 months ago, and this is the number of followers I have now. 1600. 1600. I've got 1600 followers already, and I'm so happy and I'm thankful to you for watching my videos. I'm always glad to see your comments and to know that you learned something new today. If you want to sign up for the lesson with me, you can find my contact details down below. And I'll see you in the next videos. Пока-пока!